Okay, here's the plant wall, and in a later video I'm going to show you how to set up a plant wall like this. It's pretty easy, but it looks crazy right now because it's overgrown. So absolutely, for whatever plant wall you have or whatever you got in your house, cut stuff, trim stuff. You don't need this, but also you can take this and then put it in some water and propagate it. So you have so many more opportunities to have more plants, or you can give them as gifts. That's also a good option. So yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is just trimming all of these. We don't need it. This one's a goldfish plant, so they get these really cute orange flowers. But it looks so much better once it's trimmed. And again, trim it right at the edge of the leaf so you don't have a bunch of stem. And then it looks so much neater. Nice little haircut. Same thing with this, you know, to clean up your plants, there are totally going to be leaves that are starting to yellow or whatever else. It's totally cool to, or just pop off. It's totally cool to just take them off. Just pluck those things off. There will be new ones. They will grow. It's totally okay. You know what? Just dropping them, because after this video I'm going to clean it up. Clean up that floor. The floor of my place is currently just a bunch of leaves. It's a very classy place. It's like when you go to those restaurants that they have peanuts, and then you just throw the peanuts on the floor and you're like, what? Is this normal? And they're like, yes, that is normal here. But anyway, do that. Clean up your leaves, clean up your plants. Any of the leaves that are old or nasty, or for example these flowers here, this is an Oxalis, and you can see that this part, these are just drying out. We don't even need that. Just, it makes it look messy. Suddenly, once we start trimming it, because it's not going to hurt the plant, they're going to grow new stuff. Once we start trimming it, then it starts to look really nice. Or even this leaf, it says, this is, damn, it's small, don't look good, just pop that thing out. Watch out with Oxalis that you don't take out the little rhizomes. Put those little nuggets back in there. There you go. So much cleaner. So much cleaner. Take this one out. I'm using my fingers a lot, but if you have scissors, which are right here, also good to use. So there you go. There's a plant wall, really easy. These are command hooks. These, I'm going to put the links to all the things on my description.